Trade events don't come much bigger or louder than GSF Techfest. This is taking place in Wembley in one of the car parks, and it's a mixture of trade and car show. There's some fantastic modified cars, some gorgeous classics, and most importantly, some very interesting offers on tools. So, let's don the red hat and go inside. I haven't been with this many modified cars in underground car parks since the early 2000s, and with a Mark IV Fiesta seated next to me, it's really taken me back. And that's what's good about Techfest. It's not just your traditional trade show, they brought a family element as well. Bring the kids, see these fantastic cars in their builds, and enjoy an experience where you can also get closer to the industry.